Hello students, myself Nitin Patel, your history teacher. Today we will discuss about the religion of Egyptian civilization. Before starting the topic, first we will understand the religion in Egyptian civilization. The religion was the most important feature of Egyptian society. The sun god Ra was the most important god. The Pharaohs was considered the son of Ra. Some gods were represented by the symbols such as the falcon, crocodile, etc. Some other gods were Isis, Horus, Anobius, and Ammon. The Egyptian believed in life after death. Now we will discuss the same topic from your book. The sun god Ra was the most important Egyptian god. The moon, the flood, and natural phenomena were also worshipped. Then easily we can understand in Egyptian civilization they have all natural god. They believed in natural forces are their god. They were some of local god too, represented by the symbol of certain animal like crocodile, jackal, and cow. Egyptians believed that that after death, both the body and the soul continued to the live in the another world. Accordingly, they emblemed dead bodies, applied salt and chemical on dead bodies in order to preserve them. That preserving body called as mummies. You know about the mummies. You have seen many movies also based on mummies. The bodies were then wrapped in the strips of clothes and preserved in coffins. These emblemed bodies are called mummies. Then easily we can say what do you mean by the mummy? The bodies which pasted with salt and chemical and wrapped by the cloth and preserved in coffin called mummies. The coffins were buried to tomb along with the personal belongings of the dead. Fabulous riches were found in the tomb of Pharaohs with Tutankhamun script. The Egyptian script is called hieroglyphic. About the hieroglyphic, I told to you in our previous video also. Now I am giving one more reference. The Egyptian developed the kind of picture writing known as hieroglyphy. Picture and sign separated their idea. Now, Egyptian script is called hieroglyphy, mean the script carving. They the Egyptian wrote with reed pen. Reed pen means a pen which was made of bone on the dried and floated stems of the local plant called papyrus. The script consisted of symbol representing different ideas and sound development in science and technology. Then if we can say like that Egyptian made great progress in arithmetic, science and astronomy. The solar calendar has been one of the greatest achievement of Egyptians. They needed to accurate knowledge of season and rain and flood for their farming. That's why they developed the calendar. Now we will discuss about these. The Egyptian devised a system of continuing in tenths. They are learned how to calculate the areas of triangle and rectangle. the Egyptians developed a solar calendar. They observed that its interval between flood was 365 days and divide this period into 12 months of 30 days each. The remaining 5 days were set aside for festivals. The Egyptians' year therefore fell short of the solar year by the fourth of the day only. The Egyptians were began when Sirius, the biggest star, appeared in the morning sky. The Egyptians had also great knowledge of sugar and human surgery and human anatomy. The most wonderful creation of Egyptians are the pyramids, which were built as the tomb of Pharaohs. Each one contained a king's mummy and his precious belongings. The pyramids are made of huge blocks of stone cut to shape and fitted together. The wall of the inner chambers are decorated with beautiful painting and hieroglyphy. The pyramids shown the engineering skill of Egyptian. The Great Pyramid at Giza near Cairo was built for the Prabhu Khufu. You have to understand this topic by the help of this video and revise that topic near about 2-3 times, then it will memorable for you. Then in next video we will discuss about the mummies and pyramid. Thank you and have a nice day.